these objects out of the area. Whoa, God. Brad.
Was he crazy before Scientology, or did Scientology make him crazy?
If Scientology is real, then something's fucked up.
We have just witnessed San Francisco losing its electricity.
Building and got beaten up. Why is it so secret?
Because Ron says that if people find out about this information, that they will get sick and die if they find out this information without paying the money.
They are devising an evacuation route for citizens right now, and as far as I know, they have supplied, or at least the Caltrans is trying to organize the Metro City buses to come in and to help with an evacuation of the citizens of San Francisco.
You, fuck you. It's fine. It's an only to do all day long.
I didn't mean anything by it. I don't even know Ron Hubbard. I didn't know you were that crew.
I'm calling you state. Wait, buddy. You don't like it? You don't like it? No, look, nothing. You're fucking nothing. You're not.
The citizens of San Francisco are very concerned about these lights. We have heard several reports of people being panicking and having to be admitted to the hospital, or police have come and escorted people out of buildings that are not stable in this situation. Again, the police are urging citizens to stay inside, not to leave their houses. They have shut down the Golden Gate Bridge and the Oakland Bay Bridge, and there is no traffic coming in or out of the city right now.
You got my fish!
Boy, those Scientologists, they can be pretty sensitive.
My experience personally, and what I've observed for myself, is that Scientology is destructive and a ripoff.
Nazi criminal, go back to Germany! Nazi criminal, go back to Germany!
You're not welcome! With watching his interviews, because his whole gig now is like, I'm really normal. What's the big deal? With his antenna. You know, because the Scientologists think they're aliens and stuff.
Oh, listen to me! You understand!
There's no science. There's nothing that can cure them whatsoever. It's like...
See that camera? What if I smash that fucker for you?
What's Terry Real think of it? Come on, I love these cocksuckers. Come on. Get out of my fucking way. Get out of the fucking way, buddy. Come on. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Are you bringing it or you get out of it? Sit there. Sit there. Okay, call now. Not my turn, you little fucker. Yo, I drink and save the innocent, you motherfucker. I drink and save the innocent. Shut your last fucking aborted little cocksucker. Your mama should have put the kill right to your ass. Yeah. You like it? You like it? That's what you can do. You harass the soul. Come on, fight yourself behind the video camera. Get your fuck out of the way. You gotta go in there.
We have just learned from the governor that he has put California under full alert. He has mobilized the National Guard and has informed us to stay in our houses. This could be a national emergency that is currently happening right now. We have not learned any other information from the National
Having gotten into Scientology, and after having been in it, been out. And that's a perspective that those people who are in and are not out do not have.
Pentagon is responding. We've been told that they have mobilized several jets within the area, and also have mobilized several F-15s to track the